Getting started with your Meta Quest 3? One of the first things you'll need to do is pair your controllers with the headset. Properly paired controllers ensure you have an optimal VR experience. This article will guide you through the process step by step, making sure you're set up and ready to go. Let's get your controllers connected. Video content is 1. To pair your Touch Plus controllers to your Quest 3 headset. 2. Troubleshooting common issues related to Quest 3. To pair your Touch Plus controllers to your Quest 3 headset. 1. Ensure your headset is on. Power on your Quest 3 headset. 2. Turn on the left controller. Press the button with the 3 horizontal lines. 3. Turn on the right controller. Press the button with the Meta logo. 4. LED indicator. After about 2 seconds, an LED light will illuminate to show that the controller is on. 5. Open Meta Quest mobile app. Launch the Meta Quest app on your smartphone. 6. Navigate to menu. Tap the menu option, represented by 3 horizontal lines. Then select Devices. 7. Choose your headset. Identify and select the headset you want to pair the controllers with. 8. Choose the controller. Tap the Controllers option, then select Left or Right, based on which controller you want to pair first. 9. Follow the on-screen instructions. Adhere to the on-screen prompts to finalize the pairing process. The controllers will flash a blue and white light when in pairing mode. When successfully paired, the blue light will blink 3 times. After the first pairing, the controllers will automatically connect to the headset when powered on, provided they're in close proximity. Troubleshooting common issues. Pairing your Meta Quest 3 controllers with your headset is generally a straightforward process, but occasionally, you might run into a few snags. Let's address some of the most common issues users might encounter and their solutions. 1. Controller not detected by headset. 1. Battery issues. Ensure that the controller's batteries are fully charged. 1. A weak battery might be the cause. 1. Replace them if needed. 2. Proximity. Move the controllers closer to the headset. 2. Sometimes, the pairing process requires a closer proximity to initiate. 3. Reset. Restart both your Quest 3 headset and controllers. 3. Turn them off and on again, then retry the pairing process. 2. Inconsistent tracking or drifting problems. 1. Lighting conditions. Ensure you're in a well-lit environment, but avoid direct sunlight or overly bright spots which can interfere with tracking. 2. Obstructions. Ensure that the tracking cameras on your headset aren't obstructed by any dirt or smudges. 3. Controller vibrations are weak or non-existent. Battery power. Low battery power can reduce the intensity of controller vibrations. Replace or recharge the batteries if they're running low. 1. Software glitches. Some apps or games might have glitches that affect controller vibrations. 1. Check if the problem persists across different applications. 4. Buttons are unresponsive. 1. Physical inspection. Check for any visible damage or obstructions like dirt or debris around the buttons. 2. Software issues. It might be an app-specific issue. 2. Try using the buttons in different apps or the main menu to determine if it's a global problem. Remember, if you continue to experience problems, it's always a good idea to contact Meta's official support or consult the user manual that came with your device. They can offer specialized guidance tailored to your situation.